So in this video, we are going to see another example using Agno library. It is an agentic framework. So this is another very interesting example. So let's see how it works. So this is the application. So here we can drag and drop. So I'm going to upload an X-ray image. Okay, so this is an X-ray. Of course, there is some repair work. So this is now obvious to us. So there has been a problem and there is some repair work done. So let's analyze this image, and after that we'll go over the code. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. So the output is coming in the streamed fashion. Okay, detailed analysis is here. So let's look at the top headings. Image assessment, what it is, and analysis. Primary finding, distal radius fracture. There is an evidence of previous distal radius fracture, now stabilized with a volar plate and screws. The fracture appears to be healing well with good alignment. Okay, so clinical interpretation, patient education, common questions. Will the hardware be removed? Depends on the surgeon's preference and patient symptoms. How long will it take to heal? Healing times vary, but typically several weeks to months. Okay, so then analysis, clinical interpretation, patient education. A very nice detailed report for this X-ray has been given. Okay, so let's now try another image. Okay, so this image looks normal. Please use this for educational purpose only. This is not a medical device. They have already placed the disclaimer, and I have also added an extra disclaimer at the end of the report. And the code that you need to run this is provided in the repo. I have made some changes to make the output streaming, and I have also added other language models so that you can choose the language model of your choice which supports images. Okay, so now here, so there is no obvious fracture or dislocation. So this is a normal image. Okay, so let's try another image. So okay, this image also looks normal to me. Okay, so here, primary finding, no fractures or dislocations. So this is also a normal image. So this one, I changed the model to Google Gemini. Earlier it was OpenAI 4.0. In this one, there is some finding. There is a small rounded ossific density adjacent to the proximal phalanx of the thumb. So I don't know what it is. Okay, so it could be something here. But that is the idea. So this is how the application works. Another thing is you can add your additional observations, like there is severe pain in the thumb. Let's see what it says. Now let's analyze. Okay, so there is a fracture identified in the base of the proximal phalanx of the thumb. The fracture appears to be a transverse fracture. No significant displacement is noticed. For a lay person like me, we can't make out what they are referring, but this is the idea. It gives a detailed report. And now let's look at the code. Okay, so this is the original code from Agno. Agno cookbooks, examples, apps, medical imaging. And here we have the medical agent. And we have an analysis template. So there is a base prompt. You are a highly skilled medical imaging expert with extensive knowledge in radiology and diagnostic images. your role is to provide comprehensive, accurate, and ethical analysis of the images. Then key responsibilities. Then here we have an analysis template, how the output should be structured. Okay, so image technical assessment, professional analysis, clinical interpretation, blah, blah. Okay, so then full instruction is the concatenation of those two prompts. Okay, that is it. Then here we are using Agnos agent, and we are also using a web search tool, DuckDuckGo tools. We have seen the usage of these tools in all our previous Agno videos. I have more than 20 Agno videos already made. So please check out to have a deeper understanding of these examples. So in this video, our focus is on this medical image example. So in order to run this, you clone the repo, the URL is in the description. Then you will get this Techie Talks AI folder. There you cd into Agno apps medical imaging folder. That is where I am. And if you see here, there are only few files. But if you look at the hidden files, there is an .env.example which you need to edit and add your API keys to the model that you are using and rename it as .env. That is it. After that, in order to run it, you just need to do Docker compose up and your Streamlit application will be ready here. So if you have any ideas related to these examples, please come by the comment section and remember to like, share and subscribe, and see you again in another exciting demo like this. Bye-bye.